Marianne Binetti, and today I'm in front of my Sedum Autumn Joy. This is a perennial plant. That means it comes back year after year. It is one of the most long flowering. It doesn't bloom until mid-August, but then it continues in flower practically till Christmas time. And it also attracts the most pollinators. It attracts bees and butterflies and moths. Right now it doesn't have flowers yet, and I want to show you, because it's early June, how to stair-step prune your Sedum Autumn Joy. What that means is we're going to prune it more in the front and not much in the back, so that these back here will be blooming first, and then the shorter Sedum Autumn Joy plants will be more bushy to support the back taller blooms. So I never have to stake this plant, but I get continuous blooms. So you just get in here. There's no flower buds yet. Anything that's sticking up kind of high, I'm going to go in. And my goal is to cut off pieces about as long as a pencil, because what I'm going to do with these pieces, I'll remove the lower leaves, and I'll simply poke them into the ground. They're all going to root. Sedum Autumn Joy, like most sedums, root very easily. So I'm going to collect these clippings, pruning crumbs I call them. Anything that's really tall, get it here like this, like this. Now these ones that are in the very front, I'm going to prune the most, because they're going to be the last to flower. They're going to be the short, bushy ones. They're going to help support the taller Sedum Autumn Joy that's in the front. So you see, I get in here kind of deep. I kind of cut at a node, so you can't really tell. It doesn't look that bad. I don't leave as many pruning scars. Occasionally leave some. So just kind of go along. Tidy up. Okay. Now that doesn't look too bad. You can see a little bit of the pruning scars. And I can go ahead. They break off super easy too. If I see any more, I need to shorten up. Okay. Now remember, these will bloom last. They'll be short, bushy, and stiff. These will be nice and tall. And then they will be supported by the short ones in front. So it's called stair-step pruning, the first stair, then the next step of blooms. Now, what do we do with all these? Well, remember I said how these all root so easily. I'm simply going to pull the lower leaves off and finish creating my entire brick container of Sedum Autumn Joy. Sedum Autumn Joy loves the sun, it loves the heat. Brick absorbs heat. It's a drought-resistant perennial plant, which means I can go away for a few days and not have to worry about watering. And as long as these nodes or bumps are in the soil, they're going to make roots. These plants are going to root right away. They're probably going to bloom this very same summer. Sedum Autumn Joy is a long-lived perennial, and it's drought-resistant. Loves the sun. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.